an example, which is what? Paint. So this is how Microsoft Paint works. I'm using the Windows 8 here. You can search the application by hitting on your letters to type in Paint. Once you type Paint, it brings out the application at the left corner of your screen, which you right click, you left click on it, and this is the platform where you can see the title bar. We have 3 bars here. The first bar is called the title bar. Title bar displays the name of your graphics design, the title of your graphic design, or let's put it in a simpler form, the name of your file. Now this is called title bar. Now let's make a move on how to save your graphics. You click on the file menu, then you click on save. This is your save ribbon. You click on save as. Once you click on save as, a dialog box pops out where you can input the name of your file. Let's name it traffic lights. Now that is the name of my file, traffic lights. Good. Now you can now see that the title bar has changed to traffic light as the name, as the title, or as the name of the file or the design you are designing. Now let's quickly talk about the second bar, which is called the menu bar. On the menu bar, it consists of 3 options or command. 1, the file menu. 2, the home and view. Now let's quickly talk about the file. Once you click on the file menu, these are the tools or commands you see. The first command is new, to create new graphics or new file. Now the second command is open. Open also has another folder inside it, which are the existing file, the existing graphics design files that you have created. So you can easily access that by clicking on open and clicking on open to access your files, your saved file. You also have another command called the save, whereby you use the save command to save, to back up your design. Once you design a graphic design, you quickly save the last step. And we also have save as, which I have explained how it works. Now print, we also have the print ribbon, whereby when you are done with your graphics, you can simply print it out on add copy. Then 2, we also have from scanner or camera. Assuming you want to import an image from your digital camera or your scanner. You also have another option, send in email. You can simply send your graphics with this to another recipient to receive your graphics design. And we have set as desktop background. You can also use this to change the background of your desktop to your desired image or your graphics, the graphics you designed purposely for using as a desktop background or other purpose. Now we also have the properties. The properties takes you around all the settings of your page, and we have about paint and exit. Now that is all about file menu. We also have the home page. The home page comprises some commands such as your paste command, cut command, copy command, select, crop, resize, rotate, pencil, eraser, fill with color picker, then brushes. We have some other brush here. We have brush here. We have calligraphy brush and so on. We have many brush there which you can access. Now we also have the shape tools. These are called the shape tools, whereby you can see some shape here. The first shape is line. Assuming you want to project a straight line, you make use of this. And we also have the curve line. If you intend to draw a curvy shape, you can also use this command. And we have the oval and the rectangle, the rounded rectangle, and so on. The triangle, the right angle triangle, diamond, polygon, the 5-star, and so on. We also have the colors, shape. We have the art. We have the arts, and so on, etc. Now we also have the command called outline. An outline is the outer layer of your shape, whereby you can customize it, adjust the color, the size, and so on. We also have the fill, whereby you can use it to fill you fill your drawing up with colors by clicking on this. It also have some other options under it. Now we have the size. This is the border size, or you call it the outline size. You can change the outline size of your image of your drawings through these options. And we have two color 1 and color 2. The color 1 denotes the color of your outline, while the color 2 denotes the feel or the shape color, the inner feel of the shape, the inner color of your shape, your design. Now these are the color you can select. We have edit color and so on. We have the secondary color here, and we have the primary color. That is all about the menu bar here. The menu bar and all the bar you can access on Paint platform. Now we have the drawing space. This is the drawing space whereby you project your image. Also, you can also edit your image, such as the image you import from your camera or other image through this drawing space. Through this drawing space. Now that is the brief introduction to simple graphic design using Paint, Microsoft Paint.